numbers over 500,000 US dollars, and at the other extreme, there are places where people have less than $500 to the British Empire. The reasons for the huge inequality are manifold. Colonialism has definitely been one of them. This map shows the British Empire in 1910. This political and economical control enabled the United Kingdom to become the first monetary hegemon. Hegemony refers to a single state that has decisive influence over the petrodollar. In 1974, following a variety of geopolitical conflicts including the Yom Kippur War, sell their oil exclusively in US dollars in exchange for US protection and cooperation. From there, the world was set on the petrodollar system, a clever way to make a global fiat currency system work decently enough. The petrodollar since 1974.